Guys, if you're annoyed and irritated with this heat and this crazy summer, you need to check out this place and experience snow, ice skating, and so many fun rides which will make you super happy. Hey guys, come with me to the Snow World which is in Seawoods. तो उसका एक ब्रांच कुर्ला में भी है in Phoenix Market City and you can go there too. It's Snow World. अभी फ़िलहाल I'm visiting the Seawoods Mall 1 and I've been there before. Like मैं एक बार पहले आई हूँ and now I'm like visiting like second time. But this you can book it from here. Like right outside the Snow World, you'll see a booking
Let's
place.
go. There was no rush, by the way. Also, we booked online, so no issues.
So we booked online and हमारा कुछ 600 per person हुआ था. You can also book it offline इधर आके or else you can do it online. For online you get kind of 8 slots. You can select the timings and you can only buy it online 3 hours prior of visiting.
Okay, this really looks cute, but I'm not able to do anything with the gloves, so I've removed it. They give the boots, jacket, and gloves. Like, this is the entry we'll go from.
मैं जब लास्ट टाइम आई थी काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी बट दिस टाइम आई वाज सो हैप्पी बिकॉज ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ लाइक दिस प्लेस ऑल टू योरसेल्फ इज़ सच अ रिलीफ. So the temperature is not that cold, so you can survive it. ऐसे नहीं कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाता है. It's decent temperature and you can like experience the cold weather. So this is how it looks from inside. I've never been to Kurla one. मैं बस Seawoods में ही आई हूँ तो I don't know. I guess that is a little larger one, but इसका space is like okayish. You still can have fun. It's not that small. As you can see, there's like a bridge thing and 2 rides है यहाँ पे and you can do ice skating, which is I guess the reason I'll come back here is ice skating because मुझे ice skating बहुत पसंद है. Like generally I like skating a lot but obviously ice skating is like more difficult than normal skating, but if you like practice 1-2 round तुम लोग खुद से मार दोगे तो I guess you can do it. Still I was like quite scared to fall but I was trying, but people there are kind enough to help you out and teach you ice skating, so you can go there and learn from them and then do it. Overall I love it. I love the experience of ice skating. I guess the biggest ice skating I've visited was in SL World, which is also in Mumbai, but abhi I don't know wo open hai ki nahi. That's why I came here to experience a little bit of ice skating and have fun. So there are like lot of stuff, you know, kept for you to have fun. Like there are balls and there are like वो तुम्हें जिससे खींच के लेके जाते हैं वो भी है. Like you can have fun in that. I remember I did this in Kashmir and it was so much fun. But yeah, even this is there. Like छोटी छोटी चीज़ है which will like give you happiness and make you feel like a kid again. तो मैं और मेरे भाई was like having fun doing that. फिर you have the slide, like there are 2 slides over here which you can have fun with. It's not that cold though, like I can do this. I really enjoyed this one. It was lot of fun. You should definitely go here. And then we were just playing with some ball and like going here and there and having fun. So the total time is like 45 to 50 minutes. And I guess if bahar people wait nahi kar rahe hote to they give you like thoda extra time to, you know, enjoy. And they start like the snow last May, so there's like a snow thing and you can like enjoy the snowfall feels. And I guess it's nice. I mean ye acha hai, like, you know, obviously you can't always travel to Kashmir or north side to experience snow, so this is like a good thing they have built to experience this. So oh my god, you should definitely come here. Matlab if bore ho raha hoga and you have nothing to do, this is like such a cool activity you can go, and I feel it's affordable, quite affordable, so check out. Done. Oh my god, I definitely loved it. It was so amazing. It's like I'm so fresh right now. Totally love it, totally recommended. I wish I was in Kashmir, but I'm in Mumbai. And this was pretty amazing though, like thoda sa experience of snow. It was worth it. Definitely. This is my second time though, and I really loved it. I feel super cold though. तो Snow World के बाहर ही you'll see banana leaf, and I do come here because I love South Indian food. So we ordered some South Indian food like dosa and filter coffee, and oh my god, I love the ambience of this place and the food is also nice. So if you're looking for a place to eat, you can definitely come here. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys will definitely visit this place and have fun.